Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Jer Flash, and we are continuing where we left off with the funny WWE Long Clock Wake Up videos. So this time we got funny WWE Long Clock Wake Up number 9, and of course I'm not going to waste any time at all, because I've actually been waiting for this since I just woke up just hours earlier or something. I mean, I was going to try to, I could have did it immediately, but I had to wake up for a little bit, so that's why I didn't make a video immediately after I woke up just about a couple hours earlier, but now I'm all just, I guess, woken up, I guess. But now I'm ready to react, so let's go ahead and do it, shall we? Like John Cena, Triple H always say, your time is up, my time is now, it's time to play the game. Let's go ahead and get into Funny WWE Long Clock Wake Up number 9 by Kick Clips in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay. I saw Dean Ambrose from Monday. I remember that from when Michael Cole interviewed The Shield a long time ago in 2012 or something. If they're asking The Shield if they were working for CM Punk, and Ambrose would respond, "Nope." I saw that off of Dean Ambrose's Most Savage Moments too. That's funny, actually. I agree with you, Dean. Good respawn. Tuesday. Oh, the Ascension. Is it gonna be the beginning of their theme? I knew it. That's funny. That would kind of scare me too. Wow. That was funny. That woke him up. He has nothing to say. Wednesday. Ooh, Asuka. I remember that, of course. That was back then when she used to be undefeated.
Nobody is ready for mornings.
Good respawn. Is that a chipmunk laugh? Must have been an edit. Ooh, Nikki Bella. I think I know what it is. They're gonna be the theme. Yep. Did you see how K-Quip just... He just with the... He just, you know, he just turned his head around. Get ready. Get ready for what? It's happening. What's he gonna do? What? Okay, so that's what he was talking about. Okay, that was funny. That was very funny. Buddy. Oh, the Boogeyman. I think I remember what this is. Yep. I remember the Boogeyman. Hmm. Okie dokie then. Saturday. Oh, No Way Jose. I think I know what it is. Yep. I like his theme, actually. It's pretty fun. Again? Here we go again. I was gonna dance. I see that. That's funny. He's like a dancing machine tonight. Oh, that was good. Last one Sunday. Ah, the Miz. I hate Miz. But what's it gonna be? I remember that. I don't like that, actually. I did used to say that to someone when I was on the bus because I was just mad and all that stuff because he was ticking me off, but just never mind.
My hand goes up. You will hit the like button. When my hand goes up, you will hit subscribe. When my hand goes up, my eyes stay closed. Thanks for watching.
My eyes stay closed.
Leave any more suggestions.
Okay, that was a good one, actually. I don't know which one was the best. I think I like the Ascension one best, I think the Ascension was the best.
It's Sunday.
Okay.
What am I doing? What am I doing? Why am I awake? Not for long.
That would be me right there. I probably could have just stayed asleep for the rest of the day, but I need to do something. Yeah, that was funny. That Nikki Bella. Or maybe the Nikki Bella one was the best, probably. Or maybe Nikki Bella was the best one because of that dance. Oh my lord, that was so funny. That was just so funny, I'm sorry. That was really, really funny. Okay. Okay, it was 6 minutes, alright. Well, that'll be it for today, guys. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you dislike, give a thumbs down. And join me next time. We'll do Funny WWE Alarm Clock Wake Up number 10. And then after that one, it'll be Funny WWE Alarm Clock Wake Up number 11. And that'll pretty much be the end of the Funny WWE Alarm Clock Wake Up series for now. I mean, pretty much 10 was the last one, but just a few days ago, or weeks ago, whatever, he made Funny WWE Kid Clips made Funny WWE Alarm Clock Wake Up number 11. So that'll pretty much be the last one. And that'll be the end of the series for now. But until then, this is Joe Flash signing off, and have a good day.